Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to redeem Starbucks gift card in Starbucks India mobile app and website. So let's check it out. Starbucks might change the way their mobile app or website looks in the future. If the options appear different when you're watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. We all love Starbucks, maybe not just for their coffee, but for their ambience as well. We often hang out there for meetup, work, etc. We can save some money by buying discounted gift cards. There are plenty of websites for that. We can just Google and pick the reliable one which gives us the maximum discount, and we will see how to redeem that on the mobile app and website now. To do this on our mobile, we have to take our smartphone and open the Starbucks app. We will get like this. Now at the bottom we will have this pay option. We can select that. And now here at the top we will have this plus option. Select that. We will get a pop-up like this. Here we have to select already have a Starbucks card. Now this will open the camera. We can use this to scan the barcode of our physical gift card. If we have a digital one, then we can select enter card details manually. So we will get a page like this. Here we can enter our Starbucks card number and security code. We can also assign a name for this. Maximum of 20,000 can be stored in one Starbucks card. So we have to keep that in mind. So I'll enter all the details and get back to you. So after entering the Starbucks card number and 4-digit security code, we can select the continue option. Card added successfully. So that's all. Now we can go to view cards, and here we can see the gift card we added. We can select that and we can start to use that. And to do this on our desktop, we have to open a web browser and go to starbucks.in. Then we have to log in using our account. Then select the profile picture icon. We will get like this. Here we have to go to Starbucks Pay. We will get like this. Here we can select add new Starbucks card. We can select already have a Starbucks card. We can enter the Starbucks card number and security code just like we did on the mobile app. We can select continue. That's all. We can see the updated card balance here. These are the steps to redeem Starbucks gift card in Starbucks India app and website. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.